Hello, my mathematicians. Today we are looking at Module 14, which is all about adding and subtracting decimals opener. So this says, what is the secret word? So it says, each letter in the problem represents a digit from 0 to 9. Use reasoning to find the digit that each letter represents. Record the letters to reveal a secret word. The letters for 4 and 9 are shown. So 4 is E. So we know that this is going to be 4. This one's 4. This is 4. And this is 4. And then we know that S is 9. Okay. So we can go through. We would, if we are adding, we would do 9 plus 9 is 18. So that makes this an 8. Let me put a 1 there. So D is 8. So 8. Oops. So now this is 8. This is 8. This is 8. And this is 8. Which would tell me that T, we're subtracting 8 minus 8, so it would tell me that T is 0. T. So anywhere we have a T, we're going to put 0. Which we go here, we're adding. The only way to have a 0 is to get 10, and it's the same number, so that means Z has to be 5. Z. Okay. So then we're kind of looking here. We have some options. So here we can look at the R a couple different ways. We have an R here and R here. So there's nothing here, so that means that when we're borrowing, this is going to become a 14 to get this to be 9, but nothing's underneath it, so that means taking 1 away from it makes it 0. So it's going to be 1. Also, to double check that, there is no 10,000s place here, so that means we're just carrying, and because our numbers are smaller, it's going to be a 1. So R is going to be 1. So in order to get 10, that means my O has to be a 6. Because 6 plus 4 would give me the 10. which means that here we have an I, and it is going to be 7 because 7 minus 6 is 1. Then we come back over here. So we have first of all, I got the 8 here. There, okay. We have 6 plus 1 is 7, and we need to be 10, so that means the P needs to be a 3. And we would add a 1 here. So we have 5 plus 1 is 6. We would need 2 more to get an 8. So that means A. So we get trapezoids as our secret word. So it says, how can you find the digit that the letter R represents without knowing any other digits? Well, we kind of talked about it. We knew other digits first, but because we're regrouping, since we are regrouping, and there are no other digits in the 10,000s, it needs to be 1. This is, which of the 3 problems could you use to find the digit for T? Well, I use the subtraction problem. Oh, actually, I used the subtraction problem. Sorry, I had to go back and think. So D minus D equals 0. So wait till I found the digits represented by the other letters. See, I went through and as I learned more, I just kept adding information and figuring out what I could based on that information. And that is all for today's lesson. Remember, in order to be a math person, all you have to do is be a person and do math.